Follow me.
What do we want to use after assassination? Get them.
No, but I can't put all that guy down there.
Could do.
Yeah.
Right, we know where. Wait, can I use one now?
No, it's got one at a time. The bomb one. Oh, fuck that. Yeah, that's out. Fuck yeah, that's out. Simon! Oh, here. Hey.
They've got us like
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Where's the
All that area.
bath?
yeah.
Is that where the most people are? Yes.